Okay, so my food is done. So I made this within an hour, well, a little over an hour, maybe less than an hour. Yeah, this was a really quick meal. So basically what I did was I made some Cornish hen, and all those on the bottom are a bunch of veggies, like I showed you. See that? Yep, all those veggies are going to, and you can serve that with your poultry, whether it's chicken or whatever. This is Cornish hen. Probably put it in the oven a couple more minutes, but that's pretty much done, and it's delicious. It's actually perfectly done. And instead of making a souffle, I'm just going to serve it whole, this sweet potato with that, because why mess up a nice sweet potato? So you could do that. And then I have my cornbread that I made, and it came out really nice. And then I have my salad, and then I have my kale greens. I mean, what a meal. It's easy, and it was, yeah, it was time to eat really healthy. All right, so I hope it helps. You know, if you're looking for a nice fall meal, this is a really good way to start the fall. Have some healthy victuals, and yeah, it's delicious. Okay, I will talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.